So here we have two questions of write in ascending order here, and I'm going to solve both of them in this video. So let's start. The questions are given in decimal fraction. So rewrite the question one by one. Let's write the first question. So here I have written the first question, and now I am going to solve this question. So first we all so here we can see that all the numbers are not given in like decimal. Here it is 3 digits after the decimal, but here there are 2 digits only, so it is not given in like decimals. Like decimals means after decimals the digits should be the number of digits should be the same in all the numbers. So I am going to change it into like decimal. Here you can see that how we will change it, that we will put the 0 where the place is empty. So here before decimal nothing is given, so we can put 0. Here also before decimal nothing is given, so we can put 0. And here I have question. So 1 point, 1 decimal and 0 2, so it is only 2 digits, so we will write 1 0 here, and then last number is 1.021. So we have changed all the numbers into like decimals. Here before decimal only 1 digit is given, and after decimal 3 digits are given in all the numbers. Now we will arrange them in the ascending order. So the meaning of ascending order, that we will arrange them in ascending order, means smaller to larger. So we will have to find which is the smallest number in all these numbers. So this is 0.101, this is 0.110, this is 0.102, 1.020 and 1.021. It is not spelled like that, it is said like 0.101, 0.110, 0.102, 1.020, 1.021. This I have said to make you understand which is bigger and which is smaller. So firstly we know that the number with which has before decimal 0 is the smallest number. So here 0.101, 0.110 and 0.102. In both three of the numbers, in all three of the numbers you can see that before decimal 0 is given. So which is smallest in all of them? So 0.101, it's smaller than 0.110, and it is also smaller than 0.102. So we will write 0.101 first. So and we only have to compare all three of them, because 0 is given before them only in this question, and before these 1 is given. So 1 will be greater than 0, so we will not compare that. We firstly will compare only three of them. So 0.101 is smaller, and then we will get that 0.102 is smaller than 0.110. After all, the value of 102 is smaller than 0.110. So we will write 0.102 first. So second number we have got, that is 0.102, and third number is 0.110. Now let's come to the numbers which have 1 before decimal. So we will find that 1.020 is smaller than 1.021. So we'll write 1.020, because 20 is smaller than 21, and 1.021. So here we have got the right answer of this question. Below this question we are going to solve the B number. So let's write the B number question here. So I have written the B number question and now I am going to solve it. It is also given in unlike decimal. You can see that in first number 2.501, but in second number 2.5, that is only one digit after decimal. Here only two digit after decimal, and here three digit are given. So all the numbers are not given in like decimal. It is given in unlike decimal, and we are going to change it into like decimal. So how we will change it? In question A, I have make you understand that how we will change into like decimal. We will make all the numbers after decimal we will make the number of digits equal in all the question, as before decimal only 2 is given in all the questions. So before decimal everything is normal, and after decimal it is not normal, it is unlike everywhere. So we will make it like, and I start writing 2.501, then 2.5. So here after decimal only one digit is given, and how we will make it like, we will write add 20 here, then here after decimal only two digits are given, so we will add 10 more, then here 2.005 and 2.051. So here it is all changed into like decimal, as after decimal only three digits are given. So now we will change it into we will write in ascending order, arrange in ascending order. What is the meaning of arranging in ascending order? That from smallest to largest. So which is smallest in all of them? As before decimal only 2 is given, so there is nothing to compare before decimal, and after decimal we will have to compare. So the first number is 2.501, second number is 2.500, third number is 2.050, fourth number is 2.005 and 2.051. So here we are there to see that after decimal we are, if we will if I'll make you understand, then it is 2.501, 2.500, 2.50, 2.5 and 2.051, 2.51. Why I told it 5? At before 5 two zeros are given. So we all know that if you if you write 04 or 004, 005, so there is nothing the value of this zeros, it is told as 5. So it is said as 5. So here also it is given as 005, and it will be said as 2. The value of 005 is only 5. The value of 051 is only 51. The value of 050 is only 50, and it is 500 and 501. So 2.501 and 2.500 is already very larger, so we will not there to compare it. And 2.050 and 2.051, it is coming if we will if you will if you find the place value, then it is ones, and that is tens, and this is hundreds. But here ones. So the value of 2.005 is only 5, and here is 50 and here is 51. So obviously 5 is smaller than 2.050 and 2.051. 2.005 is always smaller than 2.050, 2.051. As 5, the value of 5 is always lesser than 50 and 51. So we will write 2.005 first. Secondly, its work is over now, and we will now compare both of them. So 2.050 and 2.051, we will compare 2.050 and 2.051. So it is 50 and it is 51. So obviously 2.50 is always lesser than 51, so we will write 2.050 here, and 2.051 will be greater than 2.050. So 2.051, and then we will compare 2.501 and 2.500. It is considered to always said as 2.501 and 2.500, but for making you understand, I always between 500 and 501, 500 is always lesser, so we will write 2.500, that is 2.500, and then we will write 2.501. And thus we have got the answer of this question. There's nothing in it. You will solve. And now I will come back with the mathematics question. If you like my video and subscribe it, so I will be coming back with the questions.